In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Airtable for project management. So basically, if you're looking into project management and you want to build an online easy management system, Airtable is the one stop for you. So for that, you need to head over to your Airtable platform, head over to your project management section. So you can see we can create different type of project trackers, portfolio management, and various other stuff. So in project tracker, you can see if you want to manage your projects and track different stuff, you can use it, and it is going to be automatically building the best for you. So the project management is going to be helping you to, first of all, you need to define the objectives, timeline, and deliverables. And once you do, you can see the account is going to be completely for free, and you can even get started. So it is going to be providing you different type of templates to get started with and solutions. So make sure to give a try to this. And yeah, so once you are here, you are going to be going through different type of features that can help you use Airtable for project management. So pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys around in the next video.